Drawing a line. To draw a line, we use the line command. For this, we click on this icon. Now we are ready to draw a line. I exit this command by press Escape key until I show you other way to call this command. I do L and I press the Enter key. Now, we are ready to draw the line. As you can see, next to the mouse cursor, it asks us to specify the starting point of the line. I click here on this point. I can only draw vertical and horizontal lines, because ortho mode is able. And for example, I can't draw a sloped line like this. Now, when I disable ortho mode, I can draw the line I want in any direction I want. So, in this exercise, deactivate ortho mode. You can do this by clicking on this icon. In your booklet, bold these faint expressions, which means that you can call the command in two ways to draw a line. The first method is to type the letter L, then press the Enter key, and in the next step, we will draw the lines with successive clicks. Other way, we will click on this icon, so right here, click on this icon. The next step is to draw the lines by clicking right on the front of the image. If it is active, we can draw only vertical and horizontal lines. Now, with the line command, I want to connect these points together, so that this expression can be drawn. I have marked each point with a cross. I'll scroll up to get a better view by zooming in. You can see that when I move the mouse pointer closer to a point, the pointer snaps exactly to the intersection of these crosses. I click on the first point, as well as the next points. Now I want to draw a line from this point to this point, but if I click on this point, a line will be drawn in this direction, but I don't want this line to be drawn, so I exit the line command by pressing the Enter key. I call the line command again to continue and draw from this point to this point. Now I want to draw a line from this point to this point so that the letter M is drawn, but if I click now, this line that I don't want will be drowned. Well, we learned the way, just exit the command and call the command again. It makes it easier. There is a key rule of AutoCAD software, that is, whenever no command is active and we press the Enter key, the last command that we executed will be activated again. Then I exit this command by Enter key, and by pressing Enter again, I get this command. Let's see how I act. To understand